Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a while, probably, I'd say almost a year now, but I don't know. I kind of stopped doing the whole YouTube thing for a bit. Life got busy. You know how it is. It's just the way life goes. But I'm going to try again and see what the results are. But today, I got the charger in here. The alternator has died on me. I'm going to swap that out, and Amazon Carb that I put on, well, it's not really giving me what I want. Nope. So I ordered another one from this time Rock Auto. So hopefully that will perform a lot better, and she'll start up with just a couple pumps of the pedal. So here we go. Let's get started. It's also very cold in here. I don't know if you can see my breath. Gotta love New England winters, right? So here's the new alternator. Just your typical AC Delco Reman, no big deal. But if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know this is a 71 Dodge Charger SE, nothing special, just a common 2-barrel 318 car with a column shifter, manual drum brakes, pretty bare bones. This was just for going to A to B. This is probably someone's family car, commuter car, nothing crazy, no RT packages, nothing. It's just, well, it is what it is, but it's a fun cruiser, and that's what I like about it. So we'll start by taking off that alternator. I should probably unplug a couple of these things first before it rips the wires out. Let's see where all this goes to. Break that tensioner free. There we go. Now she moves. I don't want to forget about that ground in the back. Come on, girl. There we go. Oh, yep, there she is. And let's grab the new one. That bolt. Let's go ahead and throw this bolt up in here. Oh, you're gonna be stubborn, aren't you? Ooh. I'm hoping this will fit. Apparently on this alternator, I have this little ring right here. I'm going to see if I can tap it in, make it flush so it fits in the bracket. Maybe I can finesse it with this little guy. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect, the little dinky hammer worked. I'm gonna realign that belt. There. All right, that was simple. Alternator's in. Now let's go and do the carburetor. So here's a new carbon. Oh boy, look at that. She's vacuum sealed and everything. I'm sure she's still fresh. Look at that. Hoping that works better than that one. Let's go ahead and install it. As you can see here, and if you know your 2-barrel carburetors, she looks a little bit different than, say, that one. Like the vacuum hookups are a little different. Hold on, let me go around here. Yeah, like a vacuum line right down there, right by the set screws. And
And there goes another train. Yeah, it's kind of the same, just a little different. And what's weird is no matter how much I adjust those set screws, it always ran like bad. I don't know why. Well, I know why. It's a Chinese carburetor, that's why. But other than that, I'm gonna slap on that good old-fashioned US of A approved 2-barrel carburetor. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the 2 carburetors. This is the one I just pulled off, and here's the carter. You see on this one, it's almost the same, but it's different. Like I don't know, it's weird, but I know this one is basically junk. No matter what I do to the set screws for the air and fuel, I can't get this thing to run right. It bogs out on me. But I'm gonna try the carter, good old US of A carb. So yeah, but like down here it all looks the same. I don't know, it's weird. This is from Amazon. So once when I install this, I might pull this one apart just to compare and contrast against the 2 carburetors. I do have an old carter that came with the car, so kind of curious to see what's inside this one, and well, just to pick it apart, because why not? But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and install this one, and let's see how she goes. So I just completed everything, got everything all squared away, put back on. I just shot some laughing gas down into the carburetor, and I'm gonna see if she fires up. So let's see what happens. I feel like the idle's a little bit high. But she's running though, so that's good. We'll let her warm up a bit, see what happens. So she's been running for a bit, I would say about maybe 10 minutes now. Idle is still a little bit high, but we'll just do a little bit of adjusting. Maybe I should replace that with a heavier duty spring, because it seems to get stuck. So yeah, I'll go to a parts store later, grab a bigger spring, a little more heavy duty. We'll adjust this screw right here. I'm not going to mess around with the Nick shift screws. They seem to be doing all right. So I guess I'll just go with this guy right here. Just turn down the throttle a bit, and I think I should be good. All right, as you can see, I found another spring. I just added it on just in case. I saw this one. It's not really the right fit, but I made it fit. But she's been idling for quite some time now. Seems to be running all right. Might do some more adjustments later on once I take her down the road. But yeah, I gotta open up this garage door. I'm basically higher than Harlem right now with these exhaust fumes. But yeah, let's go take her out for a spin. See how she does. Oh, all right. Let's see. snowed. Huh. Well, let's see how she does in the snow then. Died.
Guys, I think we'll wrap the video up here. It was fun, did some donuts. Wasn't the best, and this snow is, well, it's just slush at this point. So carburetor needs a little bit more fine tuning. Nothing too crazy, I don't think, but I'll probably do it off camera or something like that. But other than that, she's running better and better. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, maybe do some more donuts. So guys, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like if you already haven't liked this video. Maybe think about subscribing if you haven't. Would help out the channel. And then you get to see more turds like that. So have a good one, guys. See you on the next one.